Is it dribbling? We actually put that on so we didn't lose the little doodad. Let go a bit. That's it. Alwyn keep. Right, see. Just that, it's not in. Oh, it is. Four fingers don't work that well. I'm still drinking my tea, it's brilliant. Cold tea, nothing better. Refreshes the parts that even beers don't reach. Unless somebody's going to send me free beers and then I'll test them out.
I had a nice beer yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah.
What was it?
I can't remember. What was it, Neil?
Oh, it was Whitstable
Bay, which was reputed to have been brewed in the oldest brewery in Britain.
What, their claim?
Well, if they claim it, it must be so.
Well, you say that, but a lot of people claim lots of things that are not true.
But like we know what we're doing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh,
We have skills.
there's a thing to go in there.
There is, isn't there? I don't know what I did with that.
He's lost his fork. Dave's found his fork.
It looks like there should be a. I think they're inside.
What's that?
That. I think they go. Sure where they go on the inside, I can't remember. No.
One goes there,
Yeah.
and there should be a clip goes on there.
Yeah. That's better. That's better. I'd have to hunt circle.
Dave is going to hunt the circlip, the lesser spotted circlip.
Oh, don't follow me. Go away, go away, go away.
What we have now is the drive gear for the tacho, or the intermediate gear for the tacho. One washer. One bearing. What we found there? Primary drive gear. That's not very tight on there, David.
That's it.
No, not happy with that. However, I can't see it on that clip.
That circuit.
That's better, it's tighter on there now. Lovely jubbly.
Yum, 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 yum.
You found it?
Oh. And lovely. Like a big fat Havana cigar. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Remember, Dave,
Well,
that needs tightening.
well, I'm sure you'll remember.
With a torque wrench.
Right?
With a torque wrench.
We'll talk right now.
Okay. It will be here somewhere, David.
Yeah, everything's somewhere. Like the other day, we was here the other day, and the last, can you remember when I was doing the carbs? And I said to you, I've been out and bought a float tool, float measuring tool. I couldn't find it. I've been all over the workshop, been in every cupboard, everywhere, couldn't find it. Steve came in the other day and said, I said, I still can't find that thing. And he went, what, this one, Dave? Literally, it's here now. He literally went, what, this one, Dave? I give up. I give up, honestly, I give up. But thank you for finding it.
It's not a problem, David.
It's much appreciated. We really ought to get a box of multiple or universal.
That's where that O-ring goes, is
It does, yeah. I don't really know why, or what the reason is behind it.
It's to stop any oil coming down the shaft.
All right, okay.
That's what it's there for.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
That's your noisy bit, is it? Oh, right.
There you go.
Oh, there you go. Oh, God. It do fit. Hey, we've actually found something that the O-ring kit fits. Woohoo! That's 42 quid. You think that was a Yamaha bit?
Then we can build the clutch around it.
Yes. Well, we need to tighten that end up first. See?
Yeah,
Well, because the nut's loose.
yeah. Just checking.
Just remind it. He said to remind him. I reminded him.
That nut's loose, Dave.
There's a reminder.
Do you know how tight that should be?
Oh,
Shall I tell you?
80 Newton meters.
Shall I tell you?
Yes, please. 62.4 Newton meters. 91 Newton meters. Posh. Like it's gold. Oh, very posh.
Primary drive gear.
Digital. Vibrating thing.
M16, 58 pounds feet.
58 feet.
58 pounds
That's
feet.
That's like a centipede, isn't it? We've got 58 feet.
Is he? Well, more than that.
Well, maybe.
Yeah.
58 feet.
Yes. 58 pounds feet.
Wow. Does this do feet?
Well, that's what you have been doing it in. Oh, is that digital one?
It is a digital one, yeah.
Use the
It's alright, let me just have a look.
That's the 8 drive as well.
Yeah, so is this one. 58 foot
Yeah.
is, I don't know, because it only goes up to 40.
You're not using that one then, are you?
No. I don't know what it is, Steve.
We need a 3/8 inch.
Yeah, they're in here somewhere. I'd have to go up. No. See it? It buzzed at me.
Did it go green?
I can't see.
Is it a Mekon?
Yeah. Ready? Yeah. It's jumper. Yeah.
Okay, so that works. Here we go.
Happy days.
Oh, here we go.
Right, we'll do that then, and we can get rid of that seal now. I'll tidy that up later. Do we want to, while you've got that off?
No, because we don't know where it wants to be.
Don't we? Oh, well, okay then.
That has to be done in conjunction with position of piston,
Of course it
etc.
does.
That was nice and easy. Pushed in a retreat. Lovely job. There we go. One seal replaced. We have a choice of gaskets. Do we use a genuine Yamaha one, or do we use a naughty one? Shall we use a genuine Yamaha one?
Yes.
I believe we should.
What? See translation. Oh.
What's that?
Oh. Didn't know that.
What's that?
I don't know. That's another weird one. You notice that? We had one that this is how come everything is written in English on the Benelli page. And I put, I'm English.
Oh dear.
I'm very sorry and all the rest of it, but my Italian's not really up to that.
Did you put that on there?
Yes, that does live there.
That's nice.
You want you a bit of wood? Or see. Otherwise it's going to catch on that gear and push everything out.
It is.
Yeah.
That was the whole idea.
That's it.
That looks much nicer. You know that bit you put on?
Yeah, I know it's fell off.
It fell off. Right, okay. Are we going to put some stuff on this or aren't we?
You shouldn't really need to.
Okay.
You should.
We won't then.
Oh, there you go. Is it better to
Probably.
take that out there, put that on there? Might need just a little dab in the corners, just to stop it from moving.
It's strange that, isn't it?
Yeah, even though they're supposed to.
It's a genuine Yamaha one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Always clean your tool after use. It's very important.
Okay.
Well, that's looking pretty sweet,
It is.
isn't it, mate?